Magandang hapon po ng March 25, 2024 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 25, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, March 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 25, 2024 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 166 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for Monday, March 25, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 25, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.